Welcome back to BMF Media, guys. What if you could recreate an entire AI short drama from just a few screenshots? Just take a look at this. This AI short drama was recreated in just 2 minutes. How close do you think it was to the original? Today I'll show you how I rebuilt the red hood and golden egg using GPT Image 2, Seedance 2.5, and the CapCut AI Video Generator workflow inside CapCut PC, of course. You'll see the final result first, but then I'll break down the complete process from screenshots to character design, AI video generation, and multi-track editing. Now, this is exactly how creators can learn how to make AI videos without filming anything from scratch. Excited? Let's get started. But before we do, here's the final result. A brave girl in a red hood enters a misty forest to deliver medicine to her grandmother. Along the way, she discovers a glowing golden egg hidden in an abandoned nest. The egg promises wealth but carries a secret. A merchant wanted, a wolf protected, and her grandmother reveals that the egg belongs to the forest itself. The story uses cinematic lighting, emotional expressions, AI-generated environments, and smooth storytelling to create a family-friendly fantasy drama. Step 1 is to study the reference materials, right? Now let's start with the original reference. I carefully watch the drama and capture screenshots from the key scenes. I collect Red Hood entering the forest, the glowing egg inside the basket, the wolf hiding between trees, the merchant beside his wagon, the grandmother opening the cottage door. Now these screenshots are not copied directly. Instead, I use them as visual references for camera angles, scene composition, costumes, and story structure. Now this is one of my favorite ways to create AI videos because it helps maintain consistency while still generating original assets. Step 2 is batch create characters with GPT Image 2, of course. So next, I'm going to move into GPT Image 2 inside CapCut PC. Rather than generating one image at a time, I use batch generation to create complete character sheets. For Red Hood, I generate front view, side view, back view, smile expression, worried expression, as well determined expression. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. The prompt I'm going to use is original fairytale heroine, deep red hooded cape, village dress, wicker basket, cinematic fantasy lightning, full body turnaround, consistent face, no logos, no text. Then I repeat the process for the wolf, the merchant, and grandmother. Using GPT Image 2 for batch character creation makes it much easier to maintain visual consistency across an entire AI drama. Now it comes for step 3, generate story assets, right? After the characters are finished, I build the world around them. Using GPT Image 2, I generate the mist forest paths, moss-covered nests, golden egg, market wagons, cozy cottages, moonlit clearings. I also create important props, a basket, ancient key, merchant contract, wolf cloud marks, and generating these assets in batches helps speed up production and gives me reusable materials for future projects. For step 4, turning images into videos with Seedance 2.0, of course. So now it's time to animate everything. This is the part I love. So here I move directly into the CapCut AI Video Generator powered by Seedance 2.0. For the opening scene, I upload the forest image. The prompt I'm going to use, slow camera push towards a young girl in a red hood walking into a misty forest, basket in hand, soft morning light, cinematic fantasy atmosphere. Seedance 2.0 generates natural motion while preserving the original visual style. I like this. Now this creates the first story beat and immediately makes the scene feel alive. So far very good. For step 5, let's build the discovery scene. Next, I animate the golden egg sequence. I upload the nest image and generate egg glowing, leaves moving, hand reaching forward, close-up reaction shot. Then I create a second clip showing Red Hood holding the egg while golden light reflects across her face. What a great scene! Now the combination of GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 allows me to quickly create cinematic moments from static images. Perfect. For step 6, we have animate the wolf and merchant, of course. So for the wolf scene, I would use the wolf turnaround and forest background. The prompt I'm going to use is silver wolf emerging from dark trees, slow tracking shot, expressive eyes, moonlit atmosphere. For the merchant scene, elegant merchant offers a contract while the golden egg glows inside the basket. These scenes introduce conflict without requiring complicated filming setups. This is where the CapCut AI Video Generator becomes especially useful for storytelling projects. Next part is step 7, creating the story transitions. So before editing, I create custom AI transitions. I generate flowing red cape transition, golden light flash transition, forest mist transition. Instead of using generic effects, these transitions match the story world and create a more professional viewing experience. I often batch generate several transition options and choose the best ones later. For step 8, multi-track editing in CapCut PC, of course. Now I'm moving into multi-track editing inside CapCut PC. Track 1, main story footage. Track 2, AI transitions. Track 3, glow effects, mist overlays, particles. Track 4, captions. Track 5, music, of course. But we are not done. We have track 6, sound design, right? This multi-track workflow makes it easy to combine AI-generated assets with manual refinements. It's one of the biggest advantages of CapCut PC compared to simple editing workflows. Next, we have step 9, add captions and sound design. So I keep captions short and readable. Example, she found the egg. The wolf knew the truth. Gold can blind the heart. Return it before sunset. And then I add footsteps, wind, fire sounds, wolf breathing, magical pulses, cinematic whooshes, right? So together these details make the final AI video feel more immersive and professional. For the ending scene, Red Hood returns the golden egg to the nest. The wolf steps aside, a gold bird appears, the forest lights up, the merchant realizes the treasure was never his, and Red Hood learns that true courage comes from protecting what belongs to everyone. What a nice ending. Awesome. You guys like it? I'm sure you do. And that's how I recreated the Red Hood and golden egg using just screenshots as well, GPT Image 2 with Seedance 2.0, CapCut AI Video Generator, with batch asset creation and multi-track editing, and all of that inside CapCut PC. For creators who want to learn how to make AI videos, this workflow is simple. Study the reference, generate assets, animate with Seedance 2.0, refine with multi-track editing, export a complete airshow drama. So what are you waiting? Go download today CapCut PC if you haven't already and start creating your own AI videos today. Thanks for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Have a good one. Bye bye.